Alright, welcome back guys to another video. Today, don't really have much mods I can do on the B8 at the moment, but I'm just going to do some cleanup. She is pretty dirty at the moment. You just look, yeah, there's a fair bit of mud in that. We've had a lot of rain lately, and yeah, just want to get her cleaned up. Bought some new cleaning products that I've got here. Gave the interior a bit of a quick clean. Cleaned up the seats as best I could. I've got some floor mats coming soon, so that'll be awesome when I can get those installed. Head unit's going okay. I've had a little bit of trouble where I started it up once and the touchscreen wouldn't work, but it come good, so I'm not sure if that's going to cause any more issues. If so, I'll have to get onto K and Audio. But yeah, I just want to clean up, give her a wash today. Also, give this a good clean. She's all pretty dirty at the minute, so I'll spray that all down and give that a real good wash and clean up all in there. Let's do it. Okay, so next up I'm going to use a new product that I just bought the other day, the snow blow cannon by Bowdens. So apparently I will just be able to, comes with an adapter to go onto your gurney, which I assume that is, and just screw that onto there. Fill it up with some of this snow job, fill that up, and yes, we should be right to go. So I'll see if I can work this out. Alright, so surprisingly I have figured out how to attach it to my gurney. So hopefully we can get it working. Now, it does come with a little small bottle of snow job, which I will use first, and it says add 100ml to 900ml, so this is about a litre, this little cannon bottle here. So I'm just going to fill up just over 100ml of this. Like about there, which is pretty much that whole little bottle, to be honest. And then I will just add some water to this, chuck it on my snow blow cannon, and we'll see how we go. I've never used one of these before, so it'll be interesting. Alright, so I think we're good to go. You can adjust, I don't know if you can see on the top there, you can adjust how much or how little soap comes out, I assume. So we'll see how we go. Also, I think that's an adjustment with that there. Let's give it a go. Alright, so now it's time to wash it. My snow foam has all come off anyway. Got the Nanolicious wash from Bowdens, I'm not sure how you say it. But it's pretty sick because it is made in Australia, and yeah, I'm pretty excited to use it actually. So I'll just chuck some of that in there. And because I've already got the snow foam on there, I think I'll get a decent amount of suds. So I'll fill that up. Yeah. Righto, let's get washing. Alright, we're going to skip to when I am finished washing it. Alright, so wash is done. Now it is time to dry her off and give her a little polish. The thing I love about the Big Green Softie from Bowdens is the fact that you can dry the whole car, and I still haven't wrung it out yet. And I think that's pretty cool. Right, so after I've dried it all off, I then put on a protection and shine, which is the Bowdens Fully Slick. So it's really quite simple. The easiest way would be I grab this rag here, I turn that on, I'll just spray on some onto the actual rag, then I take that, wipe it over. After I've wiped one section, I then buff it off with the drop bear, I think it's called. Time to show you the old girl under the bonnet. And there we have it. Come up okay. Still a little bit wet, but I mean, it's a fair bit better than it was before. Obviously, if you get some metal cleaner and that, some aluminium cleaner or whatever, you can clean up all those. Clean up the top of that. It's all a little bit corroded, but not bad for a quick clean Sunday afternoon. There she is, all cleaned up. Oh, and also in my last video I didn't have one of those. Whoever had replaced the IC unit before me had obviously broken it, so I've got one of those. And there you have it, BA XR6 all cleaned up. Look, I don't know what I would do right now with all this COVID-19 if I didn't have a car, or a couple of cars, as you've probably seen in the background, to work on. And look, I'll give you a look at this. This is my other project, one of my other projects. It's just a 1 tonner. BF, I think it is, BF 1 tonner, which I bought another $400 ute, except this one's running. And I have been in the process of building this tray for it, which is getting fairly close to completion. I've just got to chuck on the wheel guards. Also another project, which is, this is my brother's car. He's just recently hit a kangaroo, which was a bit of bad luck for him. It's just fully smashed up the front. Just in the bonnet there, I think the light mounts are broken. So we're hoping to buy the panels for this, the bonnet and the bumper for that, and fit them and get them painted. Hopefully I can get this ute ready to go. I'm hoping to fix that up, eventually sell that. I'll get a roadworthy in that on it once I get the tray done, which has been a long time coming. So fingers crossed we'll get that done while all this is going on, seeing as I am home all weekend and really don't have much else to do. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Classic, but if you want to, like, subscribe. I will be doing more videos on the BA, on the other ute, and on my brother's ute, which we're going to put new panels on and hopefully wrap. See how I go with that. But yeah, if you want to see more content, let me know in the comments down below, and yeah, hit that like button if you could. Peace, guys.